everyone. I am making a series on Django CMS, and in the previous video we have seen how to install and set up Django CMS in our project. This is the second video of the series, and in this video we will learn how to add customized templates here. We have three default templates, but we will learn how to add customized templates of our choice, and then we can use these templates in our pages. So let us start this video. First of all, we will download the standard free templates from Bootstrap. I like this template, so I will download this template. You can download any template of your choice. After downloading this template, I will extract this template in a folder. So you can see that I have extracted this template called Bizland in this folder. And now the first thing you want to do is copy this assets folder which has CSS, image and JavaScript files of this template. Copy this assets folder and paste this folder in the static folder of your files. I'm pasting this assets folder in static folder of my project, and now you would like to copy the template as well. Copy this template and paste it in the templates folder. Here you can see that we have 4 templates already, so we will copy this template as well. And now I have opened this folder in VS Code, and you can see that in my project file you have this template index.html. Let's open this template. For now this template is basic HTML template, and we would like to convert this basic HTML template into a Django template which will be used for our project. So let us start converting this template into our Django template. You can see that this is the base template we are using currently for our this page. So we will make use of this base template and its tags to convert our own template in Django CMS template. So first of all, we need to copy these tags in our template and paste it here. We would also like to load another tag, that is statics. Okay, so this is the first step we will ever do to convert a normal HTML template into a Django CMS template. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is replace all the files having assets with this tag. As this is a Django project and we have all our static files stored in the static folder, we would like to call all these files from the static folder. So that's why we need to add these elements in our assets. So the next thing let's compare it with the base template we have. The next thing we need to add is this render CSS block, as this block helps our template to render the plugins or customized CSS we are adding as a CMS template. Okay, so the next thing we would like to add in our template is this render CSS block, as this block helps us to helps our template to add the plugins and other customized CSS by default. So let us copy this render CSS block and add this block the bottom of the head part of the template here. Same thing goes with this JS block. So just copy this JavaScript block and paste this block at the end of the body tag. So I'll just scroll it down and I'll add this block here at the end of the JavaScript tag. Okay, so next thing, here in this base template, you can see this toolbar here. We need this toolbar in order to customize our page as an admin. So let us add this toolbar in our template as well. To add this toolbar in our template, we need this tag CMS toolbar at the start of our body. So let us copy this and paste it at the start of the body of this template. Save this. And now let us save this template and reload it. Okay, so if you check the templates available for our website, our template is still not here. So we need to do one more thing. We need to do one more thing in order to render this template in our website. Go to settings.py. In settings.py, you will find this CMS template thing. Here we need to add our own customized template. So let us write index.html, the name of our template will be my template. Save this and reload this page again. Now if you click on this page and check the templates, you have this my template. So let us activate this template for our page. Okay, so you can see that this beautiful template is rendered for our home page, and there are many things we would like to customize in this template. First of all, we would like to customize this title of the page, then the heading of the page, and also these things. And we would also like to customize this navbar according to our pages. So let us go ahead and do that. For this, we have default tags of Django CMS. Let's go back into our index.html and see how we can change the title and other things. So we want to change the title of our website. For that, we would like to fetch the title of our page from the default Django CMS tags. Let's check it in the default template. Here you can see that this tag page attributes is here. And from this page attributes tag, we can fetch the page title information. So let us copy it and paste this in our title. So here you can see that we would like to paste it here. The name of our website will be Poetic Me, as this website will be a poetry website. So let us save this and reload this page again. So you can see that the title of our website is changed, that is Poetic Me Home. Let's add the hyphen in between these two words. Okay. So now we would like to change the name here. Let's find the element. It will be in header here. We would like to change it to Poetic Me hyphen the name of our page. Let's save this and reload this page again. Here you can see that the name of our website is now changed. We would like to change these content here as well. So let us find this. Here it is. So let's make changes here as well. And we will write, we are team of talented poets and literature freaks. Let's save this and reload this page again. And here you can see that we have changed this to Welcome to Poetic Me. We are team of talented poets and literature freaks. Okay, great. So now we would like to change this navbar into the pages we have on our website. So let us do that. In base.html, you can find this menu tag. Okay, so this show menu tag is a default tag of Django CMS. So let us copy this show menu tag. And you can also see that this show menu tag is used under the UL tag. So let us find the UL tag for this navbar. Here it is. We will paste it here and we would like to remove all these hard-coded pages for UL tag. Let us save this. So now let's reload this page again. After reloading, here we have the only page we have created till now is home page, and we have all the details of this home page. Okay, so this is how you can customize and add your own template to this Django CMS, and you can also change the templates from here. In case you want this template, then this is it. And if you want your customized if you want to activate your customized template, and click on my template and your template will be activated. So in this video, we have learned how to add customized templates to our Django CMS project. In the next video, we will be learning how to use default Bootstrap plugins in our website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful.